Today I'm going to show you something I made up about 3-4 years ago. It cost me about $150. Yesterday it saved a $700,000 fishing boat from sinking. Yesterday while I was sail fishing about 6 miles west of the Thunderbolt, heard over the radio a boat taking on water about 10 miles off of the Vaca Cut. We were able to get the GPS location from the captain. We headed out there to see what was going on as they were calling the Coast Guard. Boat was about halfway underwater. They were bailing with 5-gallon buckets trying to keep it afloat as they were trying to get in at 6 knots. We ended up pulling up beside them, and I'm going to show you something that cost me about $150. I made it up about 3 years ago. I keep it on a boat, and I just think that everybody should have something like this. This $150 I got tied up in this thing saved probably a $700,000 to $1 million fishing boat from going under. All this is a Roll 2000 bilge pump hooked up about 15-20 foot of line with 2 cheap alligator clips so it'll work. Bought this hose off Amazon. It's probably 15-foot hose. It's probably the best $150 that boat ever seen.
They got it running.
Pump running?
Yeah. You got a black hose?
Hanging on our side. Don't see nothing coming out, Rich. You?
It's going out. I saw that.